Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I print out this cow print on vinyl so then I can add it to my latte glass. So once you're in Design Space, you click on upload and then you just upload any image that you want, and then the measurements for my design is 6.62 in width and 6.54 in height. So we're then going to click on make it. I'm going to click save, and then I'm just going to name it cow print, and then I'm going to save it to the iPad. Now that it's on the mat, I'm then going to click on next. And now I'm going to take you over to the Cricut machine so you can see everything that happens. This button here is to that goes in, so I like to hold it and then click the button, and then once that's in, I'm then going to click on the Cricut button. Now it's going to start cutting. So now that everything's cut, you want to take your vinyl sheet off of the mat. I usually like to turn it over and pull it off because it just rolls off and then it's much easier. Then you're going to need your weeding tool and a pair of scissors. Then I'm just going to cut around the design because you always want to keep your scraps of vinyl. So now you see is pushing the design out because I haven't cut this deep enough at all, and sometimes these things happen, and I am a beginner, I am still learning, so I'm just doing things that you see in this video is a way where I feel comfortable doing it. So there is a lot of time and practice that I need to put into all of this, but I'll get better in time. Not gonna lie, it was a bit of a struggle doing this because you have to make sure that you're not tearing nothing, and the main goal is to get that design onto there and make sure that everything's perfect. But then I do go back in with the weeding tool and I do try my best to get everything onto the other paper. When I bought this Cricut machine from Facebook Marketplace, it only come with the squeegee, the tweezers and the weeding tool. I didn't get no other tools with it, apart from another blade that I used to cut with, but I didn't get a palette knife, I'm sure it's called, that you get with them, but I didn't get that. But I do need to invest into one because I've found that the weeding tool can puncture the vinyl, but it has helped doing this in this method. But I just use my finger to poke it out if it ends up getting stuck. I know that some people do things differently to the way I'm doing it, but like I say, it's just how I feel comfortable with. And I know that when you're looking at the vinyl right now, you can see some air bubbles. That doesn't really bother us. I mean, I'm not selling these as of now. These are just, for my own personal use. And they're just for me, nobody else. So yeah, I'm gonna quit rambling and just let you sit back and watch everything that I do. So in this part coming up, you will see that I did get some vinyl stuck up in that bundle there, and I just had to take them off and place them down. And when I get onto the latte glass, you will see that I'm having to rearrange and stick things on the way I want it, and then I had to peel some off. It's just trial and error with this because I am a beginner and I am learning, and I will get there in time. But yeah, it's just one of these things where I've been doing research and then I've been trying to make different things. I'm messing up. The amount of paper I've wasted is unreal. But yeah, that's it all done on there. Next you're going to need your transfer tape, and then you're going to roll it out and then cut around it. So once you've cut around it to the desired shape, you're going to peel off the transfer tape, push it down a little bit, like fold it over, and then get the transfer tape onto your design. I like to do it this way because it's much easier, because I have mentioned in my other videos that I have made for certain designs that transfer tape is the bane of my life. Oh, sometimes I couldn't stand it, but now I'm getting used to it. And then I'm just going around, just pushing my fingers on it. And then this part, when I was peeling it off, the vinyl was sticking to the other side, so I have to go over and start using the squeegee, push down really hard just to get it all on there, but it works in the end. And then I'm using my weeding tool to place things in the correct place because some of them were far too close. Now I'm just using the design to go around the cup. This was a little bit too short for my liking, so I had to alter it. That's why I say is that I had to like rearrange and stuff. And then I was going over with the squeegee just to get it to stick. And I also did use glass cleaner to clean the glass down. I do need to get some rubbing alcohol because I've heard that that's way better to use than just normal glass cleaner. So then I'm just sticking the cow print in different areas, and I didn't want the design to be anywhere near where your lips would go, so I had to pull some of them off and then move them down, and then that was it really. It's now fully complete. I'm leaving this to set for 3 days. I don't have to put any adhesive on it because it's permanent vinyl, but I know that you're not meant to use them for 3 days. You need to let them set, so that's what I've been doing. And yeah, that's how I've been making my vinyl cups.